Hi, I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome back to the very first episode of Moments of Joy for 2026. Happy New Year, Matt.
Happy New Year, Caitlin. I'm excited to be back with you, helping our advisors get the most out of TravelJoy with these little tips and tricks, especially right now. Busy season is right here upon us. We're headed into wave season, which will mean so many new clients, so many new bookings, and hopefully so many new payments.
And something you might not know about the TravelJoy invoicing system is we do allow you to record payments as paid, even if you've collected those payments outside of the TravelJoy platform, so you keep your records all up to date. We also have the ability to revert that decision if you need to, so that's what we'll be showing you today. All right, so we are looking at a supplier invoice. And let's say that I have taken this client's authorized payment down here, and I've already paid my supplier, but I do want that reflected on this invoice as well. You can mark a payment as paid in the payment schedule by heading to this little money bag icon underneath the actions column. Just verifying the details here, and even select if you want to send your client a receipt so that way they know that payment has been completed and they can expect to see that charge on their credit card statement. Once you mark it as paid, the invoice will refresh and you will see that status change in the payment schedule. Now, let's say that you've gone in here and you have marked this as paid on accident. That's okay, we can revert that. The way to do so is by heading to your commissions and sales report, which is over here underneath that reports tab, and heading to the payments tab. From here, you're going to want to use the filter options to locate that payment. So let's go ahead and say paid, payment paid date, but it looks like we already have this here. So we've already changed our filters enough to find it. We're going to find that payment status, use the little edit icon just to the left, change the status from paid to unpaid, and remove that date. Once removed, click update, and that status will revert. This will also revert on your client's invoice. They'll need to complete their authorization once more, but you're all set to go from there.
Thank you, Caitlin. It's definitely so important to keep all of those payment and authorization records straight, especially as things pick up this busy season.
Absolutely. And guess what? We have a lot more coming for you. We have a ton of tips and tricks on our agenda to share with you during Moments of Joy, and we can't wait for you to see them. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you next week. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to know more.
Thanks. See you next time.
Bye.